ओम शिवशक्ति समारंभां भास्कराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मत् श्रीनाथ पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपराम्। ओम गुम गुरुभ्यो नमः। Okay, so we only have a handful. I know others are going to join, so I will see here. So Vasu, can you do the Argala Stotram? Okay, go ahead. Mute lyrical.
Clear?
I can hear you now. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
You were on mute earlier. Yeah.
Okay. Ata Shri Argala Stotram Asya Shri Argala Stotra Mantrasya Vishnu Rishihi Anushtup Chandraha Shri Mahalakshmi Devata Shri Jagadamba Pritaye Saptashati Patangatvena Jabe Viniyogaha Om Namah Chandikayai Markandeya Uvacha Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Shama Shiva Datri Swaha Swadhanamostute Jayatvam Devi Chamunde Jaya Bhutarti Harini Jaya Sarvagate Devi Kalaratri Namostute.
On the 1 second. On the second line, second stanza, first line, Bhutarti Harini, short E.
Okay.
Next line, Devi is also short E.
Short E. Okay. Mukku Madhukaita Bhavidravi Vidatra Varade Namaha Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Mahishasura Nirnashi Bhaktanam Sukade Namaha Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Rakta Bijavadhe Devi Chandamunda Vinashini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Shumbasyaiva Nishumbasya Dhumbrakshyasya Chamardini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi.
And the end Jahi, try to cut it. Jahi.
Jahi.
You think just stretching it a little bit.
Okay. So Jahi,
just intentional, just consciously correct. Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Jahi.
Okay.
Just you consciously, intentionally cut it. Jahi.
Okay, perfect. Vanditangri Yughe Devi Sarva Saubhagyadayini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi. Ipa correcta undada?
Still stretching it, but that's okay. Not bad. Keep going. Yeah, you'll get it.
Achinta Rupa Charite Sarva Shatru Vinashini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Natebhya Sarvadha Bhaktya Chandike Duritapahe Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Stuvadbhyo Bhakti Purvam Tvam Chandike Vyadinashini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi.
The Vyadi Nashini, again short.
Okay, short. Okay. Chandike Satatam Ye Tvam Archayantiha Bhaktitaha Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Dehi Saubhagyam Arogyam Dehi Me Paramam Sukham Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Videhi Dvishatam Nasham Videhi Balamuchakaihi Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Videhi Devi Kalyanam Videhi Paramam Shriyam Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Surasura Shiro Ratna Nigrishta Charanembike Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Vidhyavantam Yashasvantam Lakshmi Vantam Janam Kuru Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Prachanda Daitya Darpagne Chandike Pranatayame Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvishojahi Chaturbuje Chaturbaktra संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि कृष्णेन संस्तुते देवी सस्वद्भक्त्या सदाम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि हिमाचलसुतानाथ संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि इंद्राणि पति सद्भाव पूजिते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि
On the line, sorry, first line. Indrani, it's a long E.
Okay. इंद्राणी पति सद्भाव पूजिते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देवी प्रचन्न धोर्धान दैत्य दर्प विनाशिनी नो that's short me sorry प्रचंड धोर्धान
Danda. Devi Prachanda Dor Danda Daitya Darpa.
देवी प्रचंड धोर्दंड दैत्य दर्प विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देवी भक्त जनोद्धाम दत्तानंदोदयेम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि पत्नी मनोरमां देहि मनोवृत्तानुसारिणीं तारिणीं दुर्ग संसार सागरस्य कुलोद्भवाम् इदं स्तोत्रं पठित्वा तु महास्तोत्रं पठेन्नरः स तु सप्तशतीं संख्या वर्म आप्नोति संपदाम् इति देव्या अर्गला स्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्.
The last line, Saptashati Sankhya Varam. I think you said Var or something. Varam.
Varam. Okay.
Varam Apnoti Sampadam.
Okay, Varam Apnoti Sampadam. Okay.
Very good. I think what I'm just thinking is the second, every time you're saying that Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, right? The second Dehi, you are still, the first Dehi, you're saying it correct. Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, and the third Dehi, I mean, the third Dehi, you're just stretching it slightly, okay? Just be conscious. I think it's not, you're not stretching it too much, but just something slightly.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we'll get started. Let's see. I think a couple of people have not joined today. Okay, we'll get started. Srilata, you can be a student. Sridhar, since you joined from today's class, you can be a student as well. Okay.
Okay.
So I think Kilaka Mantram, I think we did the first 4 or 5.
We did first 4.
First 4. Okay. Sorry. I'll say the first 4 and then we'll start the 5th one. Okay. Asya Shri Kilaka Mantrasya Shiva Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Shri Mahasaraswati Devata Shri Jagadamba Prityartam Saptashati Pathangatvena Jape Vinyogaha Om Namaschandikahe Markandeyo Vacha Vishuddha Jnana Dehaya Trivedi Divya Chakshushe Shreyah Prapti Nimittaya Namas Somardhadharine Sarvametat Vijaniyan Mantranam Abhikilakam Sopikshemam Avapnoti Satatam Japya Tatparah Siddhyantyucchatanadini Vastuni Sakalanyapi Etena Stuvatam Devi Stotramatrena Siddhyati Namantro Naushadham Tatra Nakinchidapi Vidyate Vinajapyena Siddhyeta Sarvamucchatanadikam. So that's where we stop. So stanza 5. Samagrányapi siddhyanti. So there's a id and then there's a dhya. Okay. So siddhyanti loka shankamimam haraha kritva nimantrayam asa sarvam evam idam. So 3 words, but you can say it together. Sarvam evam idam shubham. Samagrányapi siddhyanti loka shankamimam haraha kritva nimantrayamasa sarvamevamidam shubham.
Samagrányapi siddhyanti loka shankamimam haraha krutva nimantrayamasa sarvamevamidam shubham. समग्राण्यपि सिद्ध्यन्ति लोकशङ्कामिमां हरः कृत्वा निमन्त्रयामास सर्वमेवमिदं शुभम्.
Shweta Guru, that second line, that it's kr, not kru. I'm hearing it like I'm hearing a oo sound come there. It's just kr, krutva. Okay.
कृत्वा.
Yeah.
समग्राण्यपि सिद्ध्यन्ति लोकशङ्कामिमां हरः कृत्वा निमन्त्रयामास सर्वमेवमिदं शुभम्. समग्राण्यपि सिद्ध्यन्ति लोकशङ्कामिमां हरः कृत्वा निमन्त्रयामास सर्वमेवमिदं शुभम्.
Stotram vai Chandikayastu Tacha. So double cha there. Tacha Guptam Chakara Saha Samaptir Na cha Punyasya. So that Samaptir ir comes and then the na comes. Samaptir na cha Punyasya Tam Yata Vanni Mantranam. Yata Vanni Mantranam. Stotram vai Chandikayastu Tacha Guptam Chakarasah Samaptirna cha Punyasya Tam Yatha Vanni Mantranam.
स्तोत्रं वैचण्डिकायास्तु तच्च गुप्तं चकारसः समाप्तिर्न च पुण्यस्य तां यथा वनियन्त्राणाम्.
Vanni, it's a double na coming there. Vanni Mantranam. Do you have Yantranam?
Yes, yeah, Yantranam. Yeah is there.
Okay.
Even I
Okay, because I'm directly accessing the online PDF. It says Mantranam, so I don't know if it's got changed from Ya to Ma or Ma to Ya.
Rajesh, one more thing.
Hmm.
Sama Pitrinadane adu second line. Sama Pitrinadane.
Samapir Nacha.
இல்ல ஸ்தோத்திரம் அந்த லைன் சொல்லுங்க. அடுத்த லைன் அந்த வன்னி வருது இல்லையா, அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட் என்னது உங்களுக்கு உங்க
யதா தாம் யதா வன்னி.
இல்ல அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட் சமால ஆரம்பிக்கிறது இல்லையா?
சமாப்திர்.
ஓகே, சமாப்திர். ஓகே, எனக்கு என் புக்ல வந்து சமாப்திர்னான் போட்டிருக்கான்.
இல்ல சமாப்திர் நச்ச புண்ணியஸ்ய, that I know for sure. So yata vanni yantranam, let me check my other PDF also. Give me just 1 second, okay?
Sanskrit PDF contains as Mantranam.
Yeah, no, this is the what do you call, from directly from the BPA website.
Yeah.
So let me see, because sometimes they also change it once in a while. Things get changed, so I won't be surprised. So let me just check. This is 6th one. Yeah, so this is also online. So the 14th date version, November 14th.pdf has Mantranam. So unless yours is after that, we'll stick with Mantranam. Okay. So just change that Ya to Ma.
Stotram Vaichandikayastu Tacha Guptam Chakarasah Samaptirna cha Punyasya Tam Yatha Vani Mantranam.
Vanni. I think there's a in, there's a na. So Vanni Yantranam.
Vanni Mantranam.
Mantranam. Yeah, even yeah. Vanni Mantranam.
Mantranam. Okay. Vanni Mantranam. Okay.
Stotram vai chandikayastu tacha guptam chakarasah samaptir nacha punyasya tam yata vanni mantranam. Stotram vai chandikayastu tacha guptam chakarasah samaptir nacha punyasya tam yata vanni mantranam.
I'll follow up on this because I'm looking at the BPA app which I have, and that has Yantranam and this book, but the PDF has Mantranam. So I'll have to ask the Raghu Anna itself what is the right thing, okay? Because I don't know when the app got released versus when this November 14th version got updated. So anyway, for now we'll keep Mantranam. If it changes, I'll let you know. sopi kshemam avapnoti. You can break it at that ma or say it together. Kshemam avapnoti sarvamevam na samshayah krishnayam va chaturdashyam ashtamyam va samahitah. So that ma you can break it. Chaturdashyam ashtamyam va samahitah. सोऽपि क्षेममवाप्नोति सर्वमेवं न संशयः कृष्णायां वा चतुर्दश्याम् अष्टम्यां वा समाहितः.
सोऽपि क्षेममवाप्नोति सर्वमेवं न संशयः कृष्णायां वा चतुर्दश्याम् अष्टम्यां वा समाहितः.
चतुर्दश्यां
सोऽपि क्षेममवाप्नोति सर्वमेवं न संशयः कृष्णायां वा चतुर्दश्याम् अष्टम्यां वा समाहितः.
Again you are saying, I think you are saying chaturdashyam, you are saying it's chaturdashyam. Chaturdashi, 14th day, so chaturdashyam.
Okay, so da is there here. Krishnayam va chaturdashyam ashtamyam va samahitah. Okay, got it.
सोऽपि क्षेममवाप्नोति सर्वमेवं न संशयः कृष्णायां वा चतुर्दश्याम् अष्टम्यां वा समाहितः. सोऽपि क्षेममवाप्नोति सर्वमेवं न संशयः कृष्णायां वा चतुर्दश्याम् अष्टम्यां वा समाहितः.
ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति नान्यथैषा प्रसीदति, short e at the end, इत्थं रूपेण कीलेन महादेवेन कीलितम्. ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति नान्यथैषा प्रसीदति, इत्थं रूपेण कीलेन महादेवेन कीलितम्.
Dadati pratigruhnati.
गृह्णाति.
illa graha, the grahanam vartaliya, the word grahanam, the eclipse is from the root word grih. Grih means to capture or get hold of. So it's grinhati.
Grinhati. This.
Her comes first. Grinhati, not grinhati.
Okay.
Grinhati, but you don't have to explicitly say grihnati. You don't have to say the full ha because it's not a full ha, it's a half ha. So grinhati. So the cholumbo, the light ha sound will come, but the ich comes first.
So grihnati is not okay.
Yeah, that's correct. Grihnati is okay. Yeah, you can say grihnati, but not grih, like don't say the full ha. So this is always a confusion whether na comes first or ha comes first. So the root word of this, so I did some sufficient research on this. The root word on this is grih. Grih means to capture. That's why grahanam we say, right, for eclipse, where it is getting captured. So that's why it's grihnati. There's only one time where this rule will not apply. I will tell you when that comes. That's vanni, when that comes, which is for Agni. So I will tell you at that time. But right now you use her first.
Dadati pratigruhnati nanyatesha prasidati ittam rupena kilena mahadevena kilitam. Dadati pratigruhnati.
Sorry. I think you're saying nanya, you said nanya taisha.
Okay, nanya. Okay, so dadati pratigruhnati nanyatesha prasidati ittam rupena kilena mahadevena kilitam.
Again, you said nanya. You're adding an extra a there on that ya. So nanya taisha.
Nanya. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So na and then here elongation is there. Okay, so that is wrong then.
Yeah. It's nanya taisha.
Okay, got it.
Dadati pratigruhnati nanyatesha prasidati ittam rupena kilena mahadevena kilitam. Dadati pratigruhnati nanyatesha prasidati ittam rupena kilena mahadevena kilitam.
Yo nishkilam vidhayenam nityam japati samsphutam Sa-siddhaha is there, so put a is. Sa-siddhas. Sa-ganaha, put another is. Sa-ghanas. Sopi gandharvo jayate naraha. Yo nishkilam vidhayenam nityam japati samsputam sasiddhas saganas sopi gandharvo jayate naraha.
Yo nishkilam vidhayo nam nityam japati samsputam sasiddhassa ganasopi gandharvo jayate naraha. Yo nishkilam vidhayo ye nam, right?
Yeah, I think you said vidayonam, vidayainam.
Vidayainam, right?
Yeah, yainam.
Yainam.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo nishkilam vidhaya yenam nityam japati samsputam sasiddhassa ganasopi gandharvo jayate naraha.
I'm hearing some disturbance.
Vidhayenam.
Yeah, sorry, I'm hearing some disturbance in Srilata Garu's audio. Is it just me or
No, same thing.
you're hearing as well? Okay,
Yeah.
all right. It's just sometimes it's lagging, Srilata Garu. That's okay.
Okay.
She's go ahead.
Yo nishkilam vidayainam nityam japati samsputam sasiddha sagana sopi gandharvo jayate narah. Yo nishkilam vidayainam nityam japati samsputam sasiddha sagana sopi gandharvo jayate narah.
Na chaivapya tatastasya. So that whole word is together. Na chaivapya tatastasya bhayam kwapiha. So ka and a va, kwapiha jayate napa mrityu vasham yati, short e, mrito moksham avapnuyat. Or you can say it together, moksham avapnuyat together. न चैवाप्यततस्तस्य भयं क्वापीह जायते नापमृत्युवशं याति मृतो मोक्षमवाप्नुयात्.
न चैवाप्यततस्तस्य भयं क्वापीह जायते नापमृत्युवशं याति मृतो मोक्षमवाप्नुयात्. न चैवाप्यततस्तस्य भयं क्वापीह जायते नापमृत्युवशं याति मृतो मोक्षमवाप्नुयात्.
न चैवाप्यततस्तस्य भयं क्वापीह जायते नापमृत्युवशं याति मृतो मोक्षमवाप्नुयात्. न चैवाप्यततस्तस्य भयं क्वापीह जायते नापमृत्युवशं याति मृतो मोक्षमवाप्नुयात्.
ज्ञात्वा प्रारभ्य कुर्वीत न कुर्वाणो विनश्यति, short e, tato ज्ञात्वैव संपन्नम, double न there, संपन्नम idham प्रारभ्यते बुधैः. ज्ञात्वा प्रारभ्य कुर्वीत न कुर्वाणो विनश्यति ततो ज्ञात्वैव संपन्नम इदं प्रारभ्यते बुधैः.
ज्ञात्वा प्रारभ्य कुर्वीत न कुर्वाणो विनश्यति ततो ज्ञात्वैव संपन्नम इदं प्रारभ्यते बुधैः. ज्ञात्वा प्रारभ्य कुर्वीत न कुर्वाणो विनश्यति ततो ज्ञात्वैव संपन्नम इदं प्रारभ्यते बुधैः.
ज्ञात्वा प्रारभ्य कुर्वीत न कुर्वाणो विनश्यति ततो ज्ञात्वैव सम्पन्नमिदं प्रारभ्यते बुधैः. ज्ञात्वा प्रारभ्य कुर्वीत न कुर्वाणो विनश्यति ततो ज्ञात्वैव सम्पन्नमिदं प्रारभ्यते बुधैः.
Sampannam, and the second time, and I think you forgot that im. Sampannam. Yeah, okay. Saubhagyadi cha yat kinchit drishyate lalanajane tat sarvam tat prasadena tena जाप्यमिदं शुभम् सौभाग्यादि च यत्किञ्चित् दृश्यते ललनाजने तत्सर्वं तत्प्रसादेन तेन जाप्यमिदं शुभम्
सौभाग्यादि च यत्किञ्चित् दृश्यन्ते ललनाजने तत्सर्वं तत्प्रसादेन तेन जाप्यमिदं शुभम्.
So, see that first line, drishyate, not drishyante. There's no in there, okay?
सौभाग्यादि च यत्किञ्चित् दृश्यते ललनाजने तत्सर्वं तत्प्रसादेन तेन जाप्यमिदं शुभम्.
सौभाग्यादि च यत्किञ्चित् दृश्यते ललनाजने तत्सर्वं तत्प्रसादेन तेन जाप्यमिदं शुभम् सौभाग्यादि च यत्किञ्चित् दृश्यते ललनाजने तत्सर्वं तत्प्रसादेन तेन जाप्यमिदं शुभम्
Shanaistu japya manesmin. So that mane asmin, so that whole thing you say it together, manesmin stotre sampattiruchakaihi. So sampattir, it and the ta, okay? Sampattir uchakaihi, double cha coming there, uchakaihi bhavatyeva samagrapi tataha. So put a if sound, tatah prarabhyameva tat. शनैस्तु जप्यमानेऽस्मिन् स्तोत्रे सम्पत्तिरुच्चकैः भवत्येव समग्रापि ततः प्रारभ्यमेव तत्
शनैस्तु जप्यमानेऽस्मिन् स्तोत्रे सम्पत्तिरुच्चकैः. Did I said it right,
so,
Rajesh?
सम्पत्तिरुच्चक सम्पत्तिर, so it and then a tir.
Sampattiruchakaihi.
Yeah, but you say that together, सम्पत्तिर उच्चकैः.
Sampattiruchakaihi.
Yeah.
Okay. स्तोत्रे सम्पत्तिरुच्चकैः भवत् एव समग्रापि ततः प्रारभ्यमेव तत् शनैस्तु जप्यमानेऽस्मिन् स्तोत्रे सम्पत्तिरुच्चकैः भवत् एव समग्रापि ततः प्रारभ्यमेव तत्
शनैस्तु जप्यमानेऽस्मिन् स्तोत्रे सम्पत्तिरुच्चकैः भवत्येव समग्रापि ततः प्रारभ्यमेव तत् शनैस्तु जप्यमानेऽस्मिन् शनैस्तु जप्यमानेऽस्मिन् स्तोत्रे सम्पत्तिरुच्चकैः भवत्येव समग्रापि ततः प्रारभ्यमेव तत्
ऐश्वर्यं यत् प्रसादेन सौभाग्यारोग्य संपदः. So saubhagya arogya, it's together. So saubhagyarogya sampadah. Shatruhanihi is there, put a if. Shatruhanif paro mokshaha, put a is mokshas. Stuyate sa nakim janaihi. ऐश्वर्यं यत् प्रसादेन सौभाग्यारोग्य संपदः शत्रुहानिः परो मोक्षस्तूयते सा न किं जनैः.
ऐश्वर्यं यत् प्रसादेन सौभाग्यारोग्य संपदः शत्रुहानिः परो मोक्षस्तूयते सा न किं जनैः. ऐश्वर्यं यत् प्रसादेन सौभाग्यारोग्य संपदः शत्रुहानिः परो मोक्षस्तूयते सा न किं जनैः. ओम.
ऐश्वर्यं यत् प्रसादेन सौभाग्यारोग्य संपदः शत्रुहानिः परो मोक्षस्तूयते सा न किं जनैः. ऐश्वर्यं यत् प्रसादेन सौभाग्यारोग्य संपदः शत्रुहानिः परो मोक्षस्तूयते सा न किं जनैः. ओम.
Okay, so that completes Keelaka Stotram. So we'll move on to Ratri Suktam. So Tantroti Raktu Suktam is also a very important one. So even here, like you'll see, it's directly said by Brahma. So Brahma Vacha, and it's a praise of Yogamaya, who is actually coming from, who's waking Vishnu up, right, when the time of creation comes. So this whatever 15 or 20 stanzas, 15 stanzas will also come in the first chapter. So once you learn this 15, when you come to the first chapter, we don't have to learn that. It'll automatically be there as well. Okay, so we'll get started. So Vishweshwarim Jagadhatrim. So the, and then another dha is coming. Jagadhatrim Sthiti Samhara Karinim Nidram Bhagavatim Vishnor Atulam. If you want to break it, you can break it there. Vishnor Atulam. Tejasaha is there. So put a if Tejasa Prabhuhu. So this is Nidra. Nidra means sleep. So this is the Yogamaya who induces the sleep and everything goes to sleep. And then when she comes out of Vishnu or Narayana, that's when the creation starts, right? So it's about praising Yogamaya or Nidra Devi. Vishweshwarim Jagadhatrim Sthiti Samharakarinim Nidram Bhagavatim Vishnu Ratulam Tejasah Prabhuhu.
Vishweshwarim Jagadhatrim Sthiti Samharakarim Nidram Bhagavatim Vishnu Ratulam Tejasah Prabhuhu. Vishweshwarim Jagadhatrim Sthiti Samharakarim Nidram Bhagavatim Vishnu Ratulam Tejasah Prabhuhu.
Vishweshwarim Jagadhatrim Sthiti Samharakarinim Nidram Bhagavatim Vishnu Ratulam Tejasa Prabhuhu. Vishweshwarim Jagadhatrim Sthiti Samharakarinim Te Nidram Bhagavatim Vishnu Ratulam Tejasa Prabhuhu.
Okay, so we'll switch. We're halfway through the class. Not many people today, so I'll have to just pick from whoever is there. So Kumaresh and Gayatri, you can be students, okay? Lata is not doing good. I don't want to pick her. Okay. Brahmo Vacha Tvam Swaha Tvam Swadha Tvam Hi Vashatkaraha is there. So put a is Vashatkaras Swaratmika Sudha Tvam Akshare Nitye Tridha Matratmika Sthitha. Brahmovacha Tvam Swaha Tvam Swadha Tvam Hi Vashatkara Swaratmika Sudha Tvam Akshare Nitye Tridha Matratmika Sthitha.
Brahmovacha Tvam Swaha Tvam Swadha Tvam Hi Vashatkara Swaratmika Sudha Tvam Akshare Nitye Tridha Matratmika Sthitha. Tvam Swaha Tvam Swadha Tvam Hi Vashatkara Swaratmika Sudha Tvam Akshare Nitye Trida Matratmika Sthita.
Brahmovacha Tvam Swaha Tvam Sada Tvam Hi Vashatkaro Sarvatmika Sudha Tvam Akshare Nitye Trida Matratmika Sthita.
Sorry, first line. Vashatkaras Swaratmika.
Vashatkaras Swaratmika. Tvam Swaha Tvam Swada Tvam Hi Vashatkaras Swaratmika. Sudha Tvam Akshare Nitye Trida Matratmika Sthita.
Ardha Matrastitha Nitya Yanucharya Visheshatah Tvameva Sandhya Savitri long e Tvam Devi short e Janani Para. Ardha Matrastitha Nitya Yanucharya Visheshatah Tvameva Sandhya Savitri Tvam Devi Janani Para.
Ardhamatra Sthita Nitya Yanucharya Visheshatah Tvameva Sandhya Savitri Tvam Devi Janani Para.
The first line Yanucharya is a yeah extension. Okay.
अर्धमात्रा स्थिता नित्या यानुचार्या विशेषतः त्वमेव संध्या सावित्री त्वं देवी जननी परा
अर्धमात्रा स्थिता नित्या यानुच्चार्य विशेषतः त्वमेव संध्या सावित्री त्वं देवी जननी परा
That is same correction. Yanucharya.
यानुच्चार्य विशेषतः अर्धमात्रा स्थिता नित्या यानुच्चार्य विशेषतः त्वमेव संध्या सावित्री त्वं देवी जननी परा
त्वयैतत् धार्यते विश्वं त्वयैतत् सृज्यते जगत् त्वयैतत् पाल्यते देवी, again short e, त्वमत्स्यन्ते, so त्वमत्स्यन्ते च सर्वदा, त्वयैतत् धार्यते विश्वं त्वयैतत् सृज्यते जगत् त्वयैतत् पाल्यते देवी त्वमत्स्यन्ते च सर्वदा.
A little bit of a tongue twister. Let's try it. Tvayaitat dharyate vishwam tvayaitat srijyate jagat tvayaitat palyate devi tvam matsyante cha sarvada tvayaitat dharyate vishwam tvayaitat srijyate jagat tvayaitat palyate devi त्वमत्स्यन्ते च सर्वदा
त्वयेतद् धार्यते विश्वं त्वयेतत् सृजते जगत्
सृज्यते
सृज्यते जगत् त्वयेतत् पाल्यते देवी त्वं मत्स्यन्ते च सर्वदा यन्ते च सर्वदा.
Yeah, the second line palyate.
पाल्यते त्वयेतद् धार्यते विश्वं त्वयेतत् सृजते जगत् त्वयेतत् पाल्यते देवी त्वं मत्स्यते यन्ते च सर्वदा.
Yeah, I think that srijyate, so the j is a half j, so, but the ya is a full ya, so srijyate. Srijyate, okay. Visrishtau srishti rupa tvam stiti rupa cha palane tatha samhriti rupante jagatosya jaganmaye. Visrishtau srishti rupa tvam stiti rupa cha palane tatha samhriti rupante jagatosya jaganmaye.
विसृष्टौ सृष्टि रूपात्वं स्थिति रूपा च पालने तथा संहृति रूपान्ते जगतोस्य जगन्मये विसृष्टौ सृष्टि रूपात्वं स्थिति रूपा च पालने तथा संहृति रूपान्ते जगतोस्य जगन्मये
विसृष्टौ सृष्टिरूपात्वं स्थितिरूपा च पालने तथा संहृति रूपान्ते जगतोस्य जगन्मये विसृष्टौ सृष्टि.
So one small correction. So that visrishtau, it's a SR. Srishtau, not sh. The ish sound is not coming. Only is sound is coming. Visrishtau.
विशिष्टौ सृष्टिरूपात्वं स्थितिरूपा च पालने तथा संहृतिरूपान्ते जगतोस्य जगन्मये.
I just tried that thing is still slightly I'm only correcting it because that issue is going to come into a lot of places later on. So the first sa is just s, not sh, right? Then after that sh is coming, the ish, right?
Visrishtau.
Yeah, okay. Mahavidya, Mahamaya, Mahamedha, Mahasmritihi, Mahamoha cha bhavati, Mahadevi, Mahasuri. Long E everywhere. महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृतिः महामोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी
महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृतिः महामोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृतिः महामोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी
महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृतिः महामोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी महाविद्या महामाया महामेधा महास्मृतिः महामोहा च भवति महादेवी महासुरी
प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रय विभाविनी कालरात्रिर् महारात्रिर् मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रय विभाविनी कालरात्रिर् महारात्रिर् मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा
प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रयविभाविनी कालरात्रिर्महारात्रिर्महारात्रिश्च दारुणा
मोहरात्रिश्च the last one
मोहरात्रिश्च प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रयविभाविनी कालरात्रिर्महारात्रिर्मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा
प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रयविभाविनी कालरात्रिर्महारात्रिर्मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा प्रकृतिस्त्वं च सर्वस्य गुणत्रयविभाविनी कालरात्रिर्महारात्रिर्मोहरात्रिश्च दारुणा
त्वं श्रीस् longi त्वं श्रीस् त्वं ईश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस् ह्रा right hra and then e ह्रीस् त्वं बुद्धिर् बोध लक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टिस् तथा तुष्टिस् त्वं शान्तिः. So anytime there is a visarga which comes in front of a ksha, you have to say that visarga. There is no joining sandhi letter. So whether you're chanting Vishnu Sahasranam, Lalita Sahasranam, anything, you'll always remember that they always emphasize that visargata, it has to be said. So tvam shantihi kshantirevacha. Tvam shris, tvam ishwari, tvam khris, tvam buddhir bodha lakshana, lajja pushtis tata tushtis, tvam shantihi kshantirevacha.
त्वं श्रीस् त्वमीश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस् त्वं बुद्धिर्बोधलक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टिस्तथा तुष्टिस्त्वं शान्तिरेव च.
And the tvam shantihi, say the full
शान्तिः. Okay. शान्ति. Okay. त्वं श्रीस् त्वमीश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस् त्वं बुद्धिर्बोधलक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टिस्तथा तुष्टिस्त्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव च.
त्वं श्री त्वं ईश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस्त्वं बुद्धिर्बोधलक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टि तथा तुष्टिस्त्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव च.
again tvam shantihi
शान्तिरेव च. त्वं स्त्री त्वं ईश्वरी त्वं ह्रीस्त्वं बुद्धिर्बोधलक्षणा लज्जा पुष्टि तथा तुष्टिस्त्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव च.
second line lajja pushtis is okay. Khadgini shulini ghora gadini chakrini tatha shankini chapini bana bushundi parighayudha. So all of them are long e's in this. I mean, so amongst everything that I'm sure you all have learned, right? If you just see generally the Devi, whether it be Lalita Sahasranamam or Devi Matmyam, it always has the words are a little bit of tongue twisters, right? Like what you see here. But I can tell you, once you learn it, it's very nice to chant. It's amazing feeling when you chant it. But each of the aksharams have got so much strength in it, right? So that's why I think the next class I want to spend some time on the emphasis, right, on pronunciation of the aksharam, because each of these, you know, have and you'll see that later on when we go to the Navakshari, you are literally just chanting each of the aksharams on their own, because each of the aksharams have certain strength, which then come later in Devi Matmyam. So anyway, Khadgini, Shulini, Ghora, Gadini, Chakrini, Tatha, Shankini, Chapini, Bana, Bhushundi, Parighayuda.
Khadgini, Shulini, Gora, Gadini, Chakrini, Tata, Shankini, Chapini, Bana, Bhushundi, Parighayuda. Khadgini, Shulini, Gora, Gadini, Chakrini, Tata, Shankini, Chapini, Bana, Bhushundi, Parighayuda.
Khadgini, Shulini, Gora, Gadini, Chakrini, Tata, Shankini, Chapini, Bana, Bhushundi, Parighayuda. Khadgini, Shulini, Gora, Gadini, Chakrini, Tata, Shankini, Chapini, Bana, Bhushundi, Parighayuda.
Saumya, Saumya, Tarashesha, Saumyebhyas, Twati Sundari. You can break it there. Saumya, Saumya, Tarashesha, Saumyebhyas, Twati Sundari, Para Paranam, Parama, Twameva, Parameshwari. Saumya, Saumya, Tarashesha, Saumyebhyas, Twati Sundari, Para Paranam, Parama, Twameva, Parameshwari.
Saumya, Saumya, Tarashesha, Saumyebhyas, Twati Sundari, Para Paranam, Parama, Twameva, Parameshwari. Saumya, Saumya, Tarashesha, Saumyebhyas, Twati Sundari, Para Paranam, Parama, Twameva, Parameshwari.
Saumya, Saumya, Tarasesha, Saumyebhyastvati, Sundari, Para Paranam, Parama, Twameva, Parameshwari. Saumya,
Saumya, Saumya, Tara, Shesha, not says, Sha.
can you repeat one more?
Saumya, Saumya, Tara, Shesha.
Shesha. Okay. Saumya, Saumya, Tara, Shesha, Saumya, Vyastastvati, Sundari, Para Paranam, Parama, Twameva, Parameshwari.
Yacha Kinchit, Kwachit Vastu, the Kwa, Kwachit Vastu, Sadasat Vakilatmike. You can break it, the Dwa that is coming there, you can break it to Sadasat Vakilatmike. Tasya Sarvasya Ya Shaktihi. So put the is there Shaktis. Sa Tvam Kim Stuyase Tada. Yacha Kinchit Kwachit Vastu Sadasat Vakilatmike. Tasya Sarvasya Ya Shaktis Sa Tvam Kim Stuyase Tada.
Yacha Kinchit Kwachit Vastu Sadasad Vakilatmike, Tasya Sarvasya Ya Shaktis Satvam Kim Stuyase Sada. Yacha Kinchit Kwachit Vastu Sadasad Vakilatmike, Tasya Sarvasya Ya Shaktis Satvam Kim Stuyase Sada.
Yacha Kinchid Kavi.
No, Kwachit Vastu.
Kwachid Vastu Sada Sadva Kilatmike तस्य सर्वस्य या शक्तिः सा त्वं किं स्तूयसे तथा यच्च किञ्चित् कवि
क्वचित् वस्तु.
क्वचिद् वस्तु सदा
Think of it as K and V. KV, qua.
Okay, क्वचिद् वस्तु सदा सदा द्वा अखिलात्मिके
No, say sadasat vakilatmike.
तस्य सर्वस्य या शक्तिः सा त्वं किं स्तूयसे तथा
Yaya tvaya jagat srashta jagat patyatti, double the coming there, patyatti yo jagate sopi nidravasham nitaha, is there, put a ich sound, nitah kastvam stotum iheshwaraha. It's stotum iheshwaraha, but you can say it together, stotum iheshwaraha. So Kamlesh and Gayatri, just say one time, okay, because I want to finish this in the next 10 minutes. So Yaya tvaya jagat srashta jagat patyatti yo jagate sopi nidravasham nitah kastvam stotumiheshwaraha.
यया त्वया जगत् स्रष्टा जगत् पात्यत्ति यो जगत् सोऽपि निद्रावशं नीतः कस्त्वां स्तोतुमिहेश्वरः
यया त्वया जगत् स्रष्टा जगत् पायति यो जगत् पात्यति यो जगत् सोऽपि निद्रावशं नीतः कस्त्वां स्तोतुमीश्वरः
Vishnuhu is there, put the ish sound. Vishnush Sharira Grahanam Ahamishana. So if you want to break it, you can break it that Sharira Grahanam Ahamishana if you want to. Ahamishana Eva Cha Karitaste Yato Tastwam Kaha is there, put the is Kas Stotum Shaktiman Bhavet. Vishnu Sharira Grahanam Ahamishana Eva Cha Karitaste Yato Tastwam Kastotum Shaktiman Bhavet.
विष्णु शरीर ग्रहणम हमीशान एव च कारितास्ते यतो तस्त्वां कस्तेतुं शक्तिमान् भवेत् कस्तोतुं शक्तिमान् भवेत्
विष्णुर्शरीरग्रहणमहमीशान एव च कारितास्ते यतोस्तस्त्वं स्तोतु शक्तिमान् भवेत्.
You see the first line, Gayatri. Sharira Grahanam, you can break it at that ma. Grahanam Ahamishana Evacha. Okay. So you want to try that? That's just the first line there.
Vishnu Sharira Grahanam Mahamishana Evacha.
Ahamishana then. Okay, not Maha. It becomes Ahamishana.
Ahamishana.
Yeah. That's the right place to split that. Right? Okay. Sa tvam itham prabhavaihi is there. So put the is again. Prabhavais swair udarair. Okay, that's the best place to break it. So swair udarair devi samstuta moha yaitau dura dharsha vasurau madhu kaita bhau. Satvamittam prabhavai swair udarair devi samstuta moha yaitau dura dharsha vasurau madhu kaita bhau.
स्वातमित्तं प्रभावैश्वैरुदारैर्देवि संस्तुता मोहयैतौ दुराधर्षा वसुरौ मधुकैटभौ.
You can say it one more time, Kamlesh. Go ahead.
स्वात्वमित्तं
Sa.
Sattvamitvam prabhavaisvai rudaraur devi samstuta
Swair Udarair Devi.
udarair devi samstuta mohayaitau duradarsha vasurau madukaitabau
Sattvamidam prabhavai svairyudarai devi samstuta mohayaitau duradarsha vasurau madhukaitabhau.
That first line, Satvam Ittam.
Swatvamittam.
Okay, so that best way, that first line, you break it as Swair Udarair Devi Samstuta. Okay, that's the best place. Prabodham cha Jagat Swami Niyatam Achyuto Laghu, short U at the end. Bodhascha Kriyatamasya Hantumetau Mahasurau. Prabodham cha Jagat Swami Niyatam Achyuto Laghu, Bodhascha Kriyatamasya Hantumetau Mahasurau. You can say it two times. You can get some time.
Prabodham cha jagat swami niyatam achyuto lagu bodhascha kriyatamasya hantumetau mahasurau. Prabodham cha jagat swami niyatam achyuto lagu bodhascha kriyatamasya hantumetau mahasurau.
Prabodhancha jagat swami niyatam achyuto laghu bodhascha kriyatamasya hantumetau mahasurau.
First line, Niyata, long E.
Niyata.
Yeah.
Prabodhancha jagat swami niyatam achyuto laghu bodhasya kriyatamasya hantumetau mahasurau.
Again, get in the Niyatam.
Niyatam achyuto laghu. Niyatam achyuto laghu.
Okay. So that completes Ratri Suktam. I know it was a short one. So any questions on Kilakam or Ratri Suktam that we covered? Any words, any doubts?
So Rajesh ji, I have one question in Argala Stotram.
Okay.
So somebody was saying this Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi or Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi.
Yeah, so that is, so the right thing is Rupam only. But
Okay.
some people say it as Rupan Dehi, Jayan Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Disho Jahi, right? Some people still say that. So but that's okay. The right thing is Rupam, right? Rupam means form, right? You've never heard anybody say Rupan Dehi, right? That doesn't make sense. So it's Rupam only. Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, victory. Yasho Dehi, Disho Jahi. So Im is only correct. But some people say Rupan Dehi, Jayan Dehi. Okay.
Because couple times I heard Rupan Dehi is Jayam
Yeah,
Dehi.
I know. Some people say Rupan Dehi, Jayan Dehi.
Okay, got it.
I
Thank you,
have a
Ravi.
question. For,
Yeah.
like, if a Vishnu Sahasranam or introduction, a middle part, and then the final part. Yeah. So what we are doing is the introduction, or why are we doing these three Ratri Suktam, and why are we doing this?
Yeah. So see, the introduction part actually comes in the first chapter. Okay, so what we have not come to the chapter, right? So in the starting and when the class introduction, I said that Devi Kavacham is before you go and do all these things, you have to protect yourself physically, physical protection, right? So physical protection of your body. So it's a Kavacham, right? It is a shield. So before you chant anything, you have to do the Kavacham. So Nama Narayanatla, we did Narayana Kavacham, right? So it is a Kavacham. So it's just a shield. So that you do first to protect yourself. That's a Kavacham. And then you do the Argala Stotram. The Argala Stotram is more of your wishing, I need, please give me Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, give me everything has to happen good. So you're kind of getting into that frame of mind. Then this Kilakam and others is just a Dhyana Stokam. You're just praising the Devi. So you're kind of doing all those things before you actually start. And next, what we are going to do is, next we're going to do Nyasam. Nyasam is purification of the body, right? So we do it in Rudram and all those things. There's a Nyasa mantram that comes, Mahanyasam. So this is the Nyasam we are going to do next. So you do all that, and then you get yourself ready for chanting, right? And the Nyasam, each part to your hand and to your body, you invoke Devi. So to be able to say that, you have to invoke Devi into yourself, so you're ready. Once you're ready, then you start the first chapter. And the first chapter, like Vishnu Sahasranamam, like everything in Vishnu Sahasranamam, like Yudhishthira goes and asks Bhishma, right? Adhe Mari, it will start. Markandeya will start the story by saying this king was there, Savarni Suryatanayo Yomanu Katyadeshtamaha. It will start the story, and then it will go on explaining. So all of that will come, and again it will come in the Uttarangam at the end, where they'll finish it. And once you do all these things, again you do a Nyasam to close it off. Okay, so what we are doing is, we are doing the prelude to even the question starting.
Okay.
Okay. But that is all of these are done. All of these are always done before you stand Devi Matmya, all the time. Okay.